Prepare the treated sample solution and test kits. Open the foil pouch, take out the test card and the disposable dropper. Put them on a flat and clean work surface. Pipette the sample solution with the provided dropper, then add 3 drops vertically and slowly into the sample holes. Read the result at room temperature in 8 to 10 minutes. The results after 10 minutes are for reference only. Interpret the results within the result window. If both the test line T and the control line C appear simultaneously, it indicates a negative result. If only the control line C appears, it indicates a positive result. If the control line C does not appear, the result might be considered invalid.